Good day, everyone. I am in the person of Abigail Nayemokoai. Today, my group and I are going to talk about project management, a topic in operations management. Without wasting my time, let us dive into the outline of our presentation. We'll talk about what project management is. It's important. The key role in project management life cycle, time management techniques, cost estimation and control, the performance measurement methods, the project scope planning methods. This presentation explores the fundamental aspects of project management, including its significance and interaction of key variables and essential planning methods. What is project management? Project management is initiating, planning, executing and closing projects. It is vital for ensuring projects are completed on time, within scope and budget, while meeting stakeholders' requirements. Efficient project management helps one, to minimize the risk, and two, ensure the alignment of the project with organizational goals. What are the key roles in project management? So in project management, it includes the project manager, the project sponsor, the team member, and a stakeholder. The project manager oversees the project success and coordinates efforts among stakeholders, while the project sponsor provides resource and support. The team member executes tasks, and the stakeholder influence the project's direction and success. Now we have the project management life cycle. The project management life cycle consists of 5 phases: the initiation, the planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling. With initiation, we define the project scope and goals. With planning, we develop a detailed project plan, schedule, resource. With execution, we make sure that we execute our projects and put things in order. In monitoring, we make sure that our project is on progress, and in control, we make sure that everything is going well. Everything is going well with our project. Each phase has specific processes and output that contributes to the project's overall success. Understanding this life cycle aids in systematically approaching project challenge and delivering outcome effectively. I would like to leave the spotlight for my team members to further dive into on what project management is.
My name is Hilda David Admoite, and I'll be taking you through time, cost, and performance. Time management techniques. Effective time management in projects involves using techniques such as Gantt chart, critical path method, and time blocking. What is critical path method? Critical path method is measuring the stretch of dependent activities in the time needed to accomplish each activity. Time blocking. Time blocking is dividing your day into blocks of time, and each block is designated with activities needed to be achieved. These methods help in scheduling tasks efficiently, prioritizing activities, and maintaining timelines, ensuring that projects are delivered on schedule and resources are optimally utilized. Cost estimation and control. Cost estimation is the process of predicting the cost associated with a project. Techniques include analogous estimation, parametric estimation, and bottom-up estimation. Analogous estimation is estimating the time, cost, and resources needed to accomplish a project based on historical data. Parametric estimation has to do with estimating the cost, duration, and resources needed to accomplish a project based on the statistics of historical data and other variables. Bottom-up estimation. Bottom-up estimation has to do with dividing the project into smaller pieces and ascertaining costs to each piece. Controlling cost involves tracking expenditures, managing budgets, and implementing cost-saving measures to mitigate overruns and ensure financial efficiency throughout the project. Performance measurement methods in project management are critical for assessing the effectiveness and efficiency of various project activities. Key methods include key performance indicators and value management and benchmarking against best practices. By utilizing these methods, project managers can identify trends, spot areas needing improvement, and align project outcomes with organizational goals. Thank you.
My name is Vespa Mahon, and I'd like to take you through project scope. So when we talk about project scope, what is project scope? Project scope refers to a specific objectives, deliverables, that's a specific goods or services that a project will deliver. Features, that's their characteristics. Boundaries, what they include and what they do not include. Clear scope definition help in setting expectation among stakeholders and guide the project's direction. It typically includes a scope statement that it should be concise and clear. Work breakdown structure, it should be in a smaller and manageable component. And project requirement to avoid scope creep, that's an unauthorized expansion that results in increasing in cost, delaying timelines, and decreasing quantity, and ensures all necessary components are captured. My next point that I would like to talk about is scope management techniques. When we talk of scope management techniques, what are scope management techniques? They are practices that ensure all aspects of the project scope are adequately defined, monitored, and controlled. Techniques include scope baselining. Scope baselining are supposed to be clear and understanding and be able to be referenced during future changes. Scope validation. They should be able to be updated and be relevant for alignment of the scope. And scope changing control that helps managers stakeholders expectations and enable effective communication throughout the project line. These practices are crucial to maintaining project alignment and business objectives. My next point is the benefit of proper scoping. Proper scoping benefits projects in numerous ways, such as ensuring clear project objectives, enhancing stakeholders' engagement, and reducing the risk of scope creep. It aids in resource allocation and budgeting, ultimately leading to a better project outcomes and higher customer satisfaction. Clear project definition creates a solid foundation for planning, execution, and monitoring, ensuring alignment with strategic goals. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Stephen Mensah, and in this section, I am going to take you through the planning method. As a manager or project manager, you must have plans for your project. You can't just start a project that you have not planned for, and it is very necessary, very crucial to plan for your projects. Now let me take you through the planning methodologies. The first point that I would like to talk about is traditional planning approach. Traditional planning approach such as waterfall, critical path method, they follow a linear and structured way to manage your projects. Basically, it comes in a strict form or rigid form. It is very hard to change because it includes everything, whatever that you do during the project from beginning to the end, and it becomes difficult to change. So the traditional planning is a rigid or fixed requirement that the project they go through, the project manager they go through to execute the project. But don't worry, there is a balance too, because not all projects can go with a traditional planning approach. So the next point that I want to talk about is the agile planning techniques. The agile planning techniques focuses on the flexibility and easily to change. So with the agile, you can make changes whilst the project is going or during the project. So every process or every stage, when there is a mistake, you can make adjustment to it. So the agile is a flexible and it's easy to change. So most companies they go with the agile because with that one you can easily make changes so that your project will not be found itself wanted. Making them suitable for a dynamic environment with evolving requirements.
I am Blessing Akosobrini.
and I'll take us through the remaining planning techniques or methods that we have. So aside the traditional and the agile planning, we also have the hybrid planning, the Kanban planning, and the lean planning. So hybrid planning combines the strengths of traditional and agile planning methods to create a tailored approach for a specific project. So this approach recognizes that different projects have different requirements and that a one-size-fits-all approach may not be effective. So in operations management, hybrid planning can be applied to manage complex projects that require both predictive and adaptive planning. So for example, a manufacturing company may use hybrid planning to manage a new product that has been launched, which requires both the detailed planning and flexibility to respond to changing market conditions. So we have the Kanban planning. So the Kanban planning is a visual system for planning and managing work, emphasizing continuous flow and limiting work in progress. So it uses a board or chart to visualize the workflow and limit the amount of work in progress to prevent bottlenecks and improve flow. And the last one I'll be speaking on is the lean planning. So yes, lean planning is a method that focuses on eliminating waste, optimizing processes, and delivering value to customers. So it uses a set of principles, tools to identify and eliminate waste and to also improve the flow of value to customers. So lean planning can be applied to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of business processes, such as production, logistics, and even supply chain management. So, for example, a manufacturer may use lean planning to eliminate waste in its production process by streamlining workflows and reducing inventory levels. So the last thing I'll be speaking on is tools for effective planning. So we have various tools that we can use for effective planning, and these tools are Microsoft Project, which can be used for scheduling, Trello for task management, and also Asana for collaboration. So my team members and I have been able to touch on the meaning of project management, the important key roles in project management life cycle, time management techniques, cost estimation and control, performance measurement methods, project scoping, and planning methods. So yes, project management is a vital discipline that helps organizations to deliver successful projects and to achieve their strategic objectives.
Please don't forget to like,
Share,
comment,
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching.